I've been illegally detained multiple times when I'm a Greek citizen with NATO clearance.
Have you ever heard someone claim that they can't be arrested because they have NATO clearance and FBI clearance? Well, that's exactly what happened during this bizarre traffic stop in Florida. It all began on the morning of September 1st when a sheriff's deputy was monitoring traffic on Highway 441. Using moving radar, the deputy spotted a Kia Sportage traveling at 72 miles per hour in a 50-mile-per-hour zone. After making a U-turn, the officer caught up to the vehicle and initiated a traffic stop. As soon as the officer explained the reason for the stop, the driver immediately challenged him. Instead of acknowledging the speeding violation, he claimed other vehicles had been driving much faster and repeatedly asked if he was free to leave. The answer was simple: no.
Oh, really? Yes. I've been tailed the whole way with people going 100. How does that sound?
No, when I passed you.
Right, sure. Am I free to go?
No.
I have FBI clearance, so...
Okay, you have a driver's license?
No, I don't.
Okay. Well, I need some type of identification.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You don't have the right. What am I being stopped for?
72 and opposed to 55.
I'm a Greek citizen.
You're a who?
A Greek citizen.
Okay.
Yeah. Try that. Try.
So
Here's the Florida license. No, go ahead. Which one do you want?
I need your Florida driver's license.
Why? Why not this? This is an international driving license.
Okay, and you have a Florida one.
All right, take it. You can have it. Am I free to go?
No, you're not. I need registration and insurance.
I don't have it. It's a rental.
Okay, they should have some type of registration for the vehicle.
I don't know where it is.
I don't know why you're so upset with me.
Think about it for a little bit.
There's nothing to think about.
Newble. Here. Is that good?
No. Hang tight. Find your registration while they're running your stuff.
I don't have a registration for a car I don't own.
Okay.
When the deputy requested a driver's license, the situation quickly became even stranger. The driver refused to cooperate and claimed he had FBI clearance. He then identified himself as a Greek citizen, insisting that the officer had no right to question him. Although he eventually handed over his Florida driver's license, he continued arguing, even presenting an international driving permit and questioning why the deputy wanted his Florida license instead. When asked for the vehicle registration and insurance, he claimed it was a rental car and said he didn't know where the paperwork was. While the deputy returned to his patrol vehicle to verify the driver's information, something caught his attention. Looking through his rearview mirror, he noticed the driver putting on a pair of gloves while watching the officer's every move. Not knowing what the driver was preparing to do, and concerned for his safety, the deputy returned and ordered the driver to step out of the vehicle. The driver refused. Again and again, the deputy gave lawful commands, but each one was met with another refusal. Instead, the driver insisted the officer was violating his rights and repeatedly accused law enforcement of conducting an illegal search and seizure. The deputy warned him that continued refusal would result in arrest, but the driver still refused to comply. At that point, officers physically removed him from the vehicle and placed him in handcuffs. Even while being detained, the driver continued making unusual claims. He repeatedly insisted that he possessed FBI, DCF, and NATO clearance, implying that these credentials somehow prevented officers from arresting him.
Do me a favor, step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out.
No.
Step out of
No.
the vehicle.
No, this is illegal search
No,
and
it's
seizure.
not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. I'm going to give you one
Do you have a
warning.
warrant?
You're going to go to jail.
Do you have a warrant?
I'm letting you know now.
Go ahead. Search me.
Step out.
Search me.
Go. Go. Taser. I will tase you. Where's this?
I have international. Hi.
Come around.
No, I have international.
Wait, give me.
What are you doing?
I promise you I will tase you. All right, I'm good right now. Appreciate you.
I'm the FBI DCF clearance. Not illegal. Not illegal. With what this time?
Have a seat.
Oh, now you're getting
Have a
nice.
seat.
Now you're getting nice.
Have a seat.
New bolt. Number 160.
Blake, third channel. I got more to say.
When backup officers arrived, they asked him what any of those claims had to do with speeding. The driver insisted he was both a U.S. and Greek citizen and argued that he had been illegally detained multiple times before. In reality, none of those claims changed the legal situation. The narrator explains that the driver was most likely referring to criminal background clearances often required for certain professions in Florida, while his reference to NATO clearance may have meant access to classified information through employment. However, even if those claims were true, they provide no legal immunity from traffic laws or police investigations. Meanwhile, officers remained focused on the original violation. Because the driver had repeatedly refused lawful commands and resisted being removed from the vehicle, officers informed him he was under arrest. As they attempted to place him inside the patrol car, the driver continued resisting by refusing to move his legs inside. One deputy warned him that if he kept resisting, they would have to secure him, like a pretzel, to safely transport him. Eventually, the officers secured the driver and transported him to jail. The legal outcome was straightforward.
Tell him I pull him over, 72 and a 55. Yeah. He said that wasn't me. He was being tailgated, being a hunter. I'm looking at you the whole time. I tell him the reason for stop, he's FBI, whatever. I get out. I see him throwing gloves on, so I'm like, okay, I don't know what you're doing. You're getting out. Because as I'm back there, he is gloving up. So I don't know if you just got him a gun. What's going on? I come up here, tell him to get out. No. I tell him to yank his ass out of there if you don't get out. He gets out. He comes right here.
3870, I'm out with 36
He's going to jail. There's nothing about it. He's going to jail.
And he's claiming to be FBI?
He said that he's FBI, quote unquote, or quote unquote.
Hey man, what's going on?
What's going on?
Yeah.
I've been illegally detained multiple times when I'm a Greek citizen with NATO clearance and FBI
that mean?
DCF clearance.
FBI clearance? So what does that got anything to do with you speeding?
72 and a 45 when your officers were going 100 past me. I'm an international citizen. You can't arrest me repeatedly. I'm a U.S. and a Greek citizen.
Okay, so what's that got to do with you doing 72 and a 45?
I'm sorry. You hit me with a speeding ticket, huh?
Well, we will be doing that.
All
I
right,
believe.
go ahead.
He told you he was with the FBI?
Yeah.
I didn't say that. I said I have FBI DCF clearance.
What does that mean to us?
Apparently none of you know.
That means nothing.
All right. Am I free to go?
No.
No.
You're going.
No, you're not free to go anywhere.
What are you talking about?
You're resisting.
Right, because you threw me against
There
the
you go.
cruiser.
We're going.
Yeah, we're all done.
Gone where?
We're going.
Hey, put your leg in there. Don't you dare do that. Or you'll be tied up like a pretzel. Do you
You already did that.
understand?
You already did that. In
No,
6 closed van transfers.
Yeah. So you can hold.
I don't know how to do anything else.
You can hold this sign right here.
The driver was charged with resisting an officer without violence. Court records indicate he received a $1,000 bond, although there is no evidence he posted it. He ultimately remained in custody until reaching a plea agreement nearly a month later. He entered a no-contest plea, was ordered to pay more than $1,500 in court costs and fines, and received a 24-day jail sentence. Because he had already spent those 24 days in custody awaiting the outcome, he received credit for time served and was released. In the end, this case serves as an important reminder that government clearances, international citizenship, or employment credentials do not place anyone above the law. During a lawful traffic stop, officers have the authority to request identification, investigate violations, and issue lawful commands. Refusing those commands often transforms a simple traffic citation into a far more serious criminal case. What started as an ordinary speeding stop ultimately ended with an arrest, jail time, and thousands of dollars in penalties, all because the driver chose confrontation over cooperation.